I often hear men complain that a good woman is hard to find. They question the loyalty of women, their lack of accountability, their entitled attitude, their deceptive behavior, and the games of emotional blackmail when children are involved. Not to mention how many women appear to be gold diggers looking for a man who can sponsor a lavish lifestyle so they can enjoy what they call their soft girl era. Because I have coached married couples and singles since 1994, I can remember anecdotal stories that support the concerns that many men have about single women. But men must be held accountable as well. Some of the things men do make them vulnerable to women with selfish motives and ill will. In another video, I focused on the pitfalls that women should avoid in the dating game. Let's now focus on pitfalls that a single man should avoid in his attempts to kickstart a relationship with single women. Pitfall number 1, getting stuck on the way she looks. Although the physical attributes of a woman can quickly get a man's attention, a man who is searching for a wife should take time to look beyond what the physical eye can see. He should dig a little deeper because it takes effort to identify the characteristics that are required to be a good wife. Far too many men settle for a pretty face and a sexy body instead of being patient enough to find a mate who will be genuinely compatible. I don't mean to imply that the right woman will not be an attractive woman. She may be very attractive. It is not uncommon for beautiful women to also reflect spiritual and intellectual substance, as well as other desirable character traits. So I am not suggesting that attractive women should be avoided. As a matter of fact, I would never suggest that a man marry a woman to whom he is not physically attracted. However, I do urge men to take a serious look at the character, work ethic, emotional maturity, spiritual maturity, and other important compatibility factors before placing a wedding band on a woman's finger. Don't settle for a cute smile and a sexy figure if that's all she has to offer as a wife. To be a good wife, a woman needs to be intelligent and mature enough to handle the many responsibilities of married life while also maintaining an attractive appearance. Pitfall number 2, flashing cash. Flashing your money to impress a woman is not very smart. It could lead to disappointment and heartache. Because if your relationship with a woman is primarily based on the money you spend and the expensive gifts you lavish on her, the relationship will turn sour as soon as you cut back on the spending. Men who use financial manipulation to get next to a woman can find a date and cheap sex. However, the relationship will be shallow and dysfunctional. Women who play along with a man who flashes cash will typically date him long enough to gain control of his money through emotional games, false accusations, paternity suits, or a mixed bag of schemes and tricks. Even if she doesn't go to these extremes, she may date him long enough to manipulate him into paying off her credit cards or buying her expensive gifts, maybe a few diamonds, a new car, or even a new house, before dumping him in favor of a different man who has a bigger bank account. So men, don't use your money to attract a woman. Pursue a relationship with a woman who will be a loving, faithful partner who you would love to take home to meet your mother. This was a marriage success moment presented by Dr. David Stevens.